Here's a driveway my dad and I did on Mercer Island. These are the forms for the borders. We poured the borders a dark color from Cadman Concrete. It's Pacific Storm. It's one up from their darkest color. Here's us pouring the mud in. Getting it all laid out. We left it slightly high so I could work it in. I tapped the forms to get the air pockets out. Just make the rock settle in. Kind of rubbing it around. We poured it pretty stiff. There's the edger. Once you get it smoothed out, run the edger along to roll the rocks back. And then grab the steel trowel to start smoothing it. And then do a little more edging. You always want to be working the concrete. There's not a lot of sitting around waiting. Just keep smoothing it until you like the finish. We gave this a kind of a smooth trowel finish because they're going to be sandblasting everything in the end. There's the borders all done. They turned out really good. It was a lot of work. A lot of edging, bending over, running around. The kids put their hands in it. There's the front porch. They're going to be covering that with tile. So we just gave it a quick, rough finish. Alright, there's the rebar for the second pour. Got it all laid in on the main field. Okay, and here we go on day 2 pour. There's my dad checking the edge. And here it is all laid in and me finishing it, giving it the hard trowel look so they can sandblast. This color is actually one step lighter than the border. St. Helens Ash from Cadman Concrete. And there it is. Day 2 done. Turned out really good. Then we snapped lines every 10 feet to control the cracking for expansion joints. And there's day 3 up there done. And the drain over to the left. Day 3 turned out good as well. Really nice finish. They still haven't sandblasted yet, but I'm excited to see it. Here's the drain where all the water comes across to get the right slope. This took me about 40 minutes to get that thing dialed in, but it turned out good. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Here's the view in the backyard of Lake Washington.